What's up everyone, Joey here from the YugiTiger, and today I will be opening 10 random packs I just picked up at my local card store. I picked up 2 packs of King's Court because last pull I did get, of course, last box opening I should say, I did get a few decent cards, well not the cards I was looking for, so I was thinking to myself, sure, why not buy 2? I got 1 pack of Legendary Duelist, Rage of Ra from the Merrick Ishtar collection, you could basically say. But the story behind this, it's a first edition. Now, how did this happen? I was at my local card store and I was like, man, do you have any Legendary Duelist left? Because I wanted to try to get the Ghost Rare Wing Dragon of Ra, of course. And I was looking at the display cases that they had. I was looking and I was like, man, you have still 1 pack left, and it's first edition? Can I buy that? And the guy was very cool about it. He was like, yeah, sure, here you go. So, maybe, who knows, first edition Ghost Rare Wing Dragon of Ra would be cool. And I also picked up 7 packs of the Lightning Overdrive cards. Now, I didn't actually have any packs to open of this before, so I was thinking to myself, sure, why not? Maybe get a Starlight Black Rose Dragon. Now that would be cool to get. But of course, these are a few packs, just spend 40 bucks at random, like, okay, sure, give me 7 of those, I want 2 of those, and I want that one, meaning this pack. And yeah, just open them for fun, have a nice little video for you guys to watch, and hopefully enjoy. So, let's get right to it. First I will be opening, of course, a few Lightning... Wow, my articulation. A few Lightning Overdrive packs. Because I have fewer of these, so we'll build it down. First a few Lightning Overdrives, till we have 1 left of all. Now here we go. I got a Clock Arc. A Star Mine. Paleozoic, oh, I can't say this. Paleozoic Cambro Raster. Paleozoic Cambro Raster, okay. Like monster. What's up with these names, man? Bujin Mahitotsu. Okay. Oh, it's in the middle of these packs. White Knight of Dogmatica? I don't know, man, it looks okay, it looks real cool. Oh, I'm not showing the cards even correctly. Like, right here. Good. Let me just cam a little bit. So. White Knight of Dogmatica. That's a pretty cool card. I'm gonna sleeve that right up. Right away. This is valuable. It looks kind of valuable. It looks cool as all hell. Just to have. I'll put it right there. Okay. And the last cards. So let's see, 4 cards. Okay, so I'm gonna put it at the back. Boo Boo Game, Fukibiki, Amaze Attraction, Wonder Wheel, War Rock, Mammoth. Also looks pretty cool. Nice, nice. Good pull, I guess. For me, I like the card. It looks cool as hell. Okay, so what did I say? I said 4, if I'm not mistaken. So here I'm gonna go. 1, 2, 3. 4, special card in the back. Okay. This name, Otoshi Damashi. Okay then. Anchamo Vrite. Farona Guardian Swings. Ooh, nice defense. Dark Eye Nightmare. Judgment of the Branded, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, IA Meet You, Fukubiki, and the Amazement Family Phases. Looks nice. Okay, next pack, Lightning Overdrive. Here we go. Starlight will be upon me. 2, 3, 4. I say that, but who knows? Spring Guns Brothers. Okay. World Soul Carbon. Stay there. Stay there. Yamori Mori. Mori. Scrap Raptor. Sunna Valon Daphne. Amaze Attraction Majestic Merry-Go-Round. Screams of the Branded. Terrors of the Underroot. The last card is behind here. What we gonna get? Ooh, I was seeing the white underline. I was like, who knows? Garden Rose Flora. Neat looking card. Neat looking card indeed. Next pack. Okay, put that in the back. Here we go again. Otto Shidamashi. Veronic Guardian Swings. Spring Guns Booty. Bujin Mahi Totsu. 1x1. AI Challenge You. Zexo Alliance. One Curry Way. And the last, here we go. Proof of Proofless. Proofless? Proof of Proofless. Huh. Looks good. Looks funny. Back. Okay, so I got 2 Lightning Overdrives left. Oh, first gotta count the cards off. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Yugioh in the back. So I'm guessing I'm gonna open a King's Court, another Lightning Overdrive. Actually, I want to save this for last, you know? Because Ghost Rare, Wings Rain of Ra. It would be cool to pick up. Star Mine. Starry Night Seal. Paleozoic Cambra Raster. Damn these names. Ancha Mofred. War Rock Big Blow. Amaze Attraction Majestic Merry-Go-Round. Boo Boo Game. 2 cards left. Terrors of the Underroot. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Branded in white. Okay. No, don't move them. You go there. Okay, so I'm gonna open one of these. One more. And then I'm gonna get a King's Court. Oh jeez. It did miss the cards. Why was this upside down? Okay. Don't let it happen again. S-Force Dog Tag. Nice. Sky Scourge. Sid Health. World Soul Carbon. Danmari. I don't know what that sign means. Danmari Ignister. Fukubiki. AI Challenge You, War Rock Generations, War Rock Big Blow, and for the final card we have... Ooh! Hell yeah! I got the Lightning Overdrive cover card, Ultimate Dragonic Utopia Ray. Hell yeah! Oh, this card is awesome. Sleeve it up. Actually want to discard as well, because it is the cover card. I know most cover cards nowadays don't have much of value, but for me, for the childish nostalgic feeling, I'm kind of like, man, these cover cards cool as all hell. Yeah, look at it. It looks cool as... Okay. Nice. So, one pack king scored. Here we go. Man, how can I beat that feeling? I mean, for real though. Picking the cover card. That's like a child's dream. Just picking the cover cards. I mean, okay, I'm grown up nowadays. I don't care. Either way, Queen's Knight. Oh my god, I can see the... Oh my god, I can see the back. Oh, okay. Okay, it's slightly thicker. I saw the shine. What? Oh my god, 2 random packs. What am I gonna get? Zoga the Prophet. I'm all getting all excited and giddy. Here we go. The Warrior returning alive. Oh god, stay down cards. I saw the shine. I saw this little shine. Okay. Rivalry of the Warlords. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Baxia, Brightness of the Yang Zing. Cool card. Looks nice. Okay. Cool. Counterstellar Ptolemy M7. Last card, guy. Here we go. Oh look, it's gonna be... Oh my god. Rescue Rabbit. No fucking... Oh my god, this card. Hell yeah, look at it. Oh, that's cool. Cannot be special summoned from the deck. You can banish this card you control. Special summon 2 level 4 low normals from the same deck, but destroy them during the end phase. Rescue Rabbit though. Oh. Okay. Holy macaroni. I can't stop looking at it. It's beautiful, man. This card is... Damn, son. Oh, that's so cool. Is this like a prismatic rare? How do we call it? I'm gonna look this up later. I'm gonna add that at the end of the video. The value of these cards and all that kind of stuff. Man, look at that. Sorry, I got... Okay. Keep going. Okay. So, another Lightning Overdrive. Wait. Don't forget, there's the trick. Put it in the back. I don't know, man, that card felt different. Like it was bigger and stuff, you could feel it on the edges, so I'm kinda like, can you feel? Can you touch the cards and feel? ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, Dogmatic Calamity, Springen's Booty, Star Mine. Oh, need to put the cards down. Need to put them down. People want to see Star Mine. Amaze Attraction, Majestic Merry-Go-Round, Boo Boo Game, Terrors of the Underwood. No difficult names, please. You and I, AI, and Amazement Precious Park. Nice looking card. Okay. I'm kinda excited now for this next King score. Like, damn, only 2 random packs at the store and I'm just... Okay. Got the Rescue Rabbit. Not gonna front. I am hoping for Egyptian God cards because I got the Legendary Collection 1. I want the playables. And not from the decks. From the packs. Because I'm weird like that. Can you feel? No. Feels normal. I don't expect anything too special, but let's see. Eternal Bond. What do you come up cards? The Warrior Returning Alive. Leo Arms. Wind Up Arsenal Zenmaoi. I said that correctly. Yes, I did. Counterstellar Ptolemy M7. The Mark 7. The Wicked Avatar. And for the final card we have Thunder Speed is Summoned. Nice card. I'm still hung up on the Rescue Rabbit, man. The only thing that can improve my day for now is if I get the Ghost Rare Winged Dragon of Ra in this pack. I believe. Okay, so here we go. How many cards are in this pack? 5 cards. Okay. All first edition. Oh yeah. Only got a few second edition of this pack, so this is my only first edition, so it would be great. Mechlord Army of Granel. Left Arm Offering. Mechlord Army of Skill. A lot of Mechlords. Ooh. White Aura Behemoth. This card. Oh. Went down. And Mechlord Astro the Eradicator. That's White Aura Behemoth. Man, I still can't believe I picked up that Rescue Rabbit. I'm gonna look up what all these things are worth right now. And I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna edit a video at the end. I'm gonna put a picture with the total pricing of everything. And I'm gonna put that up there for you guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video to watch. I just was going like, man, I want some random packs to open. I'm gonna open them, put it on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like on this video if you did like the video. And if you also did, please leave a subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And I'll speak to you all next time. Laters.